Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Iqbal. I am from the Department of Computer Applications, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy, Tamil Nadu, India. In this video series, we are going to discuss a very important and hot language which is nothing but Python programming. Here we go. First of all, we need to know what is Python. Python is widely used programming language for general purpose programming development. We can do miracles with the help of Python programming, and which is created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, which is an older version which is developed by this guy. And Python is widely used for research and development nowadays because which is very easy to operate, and we can easily able to develop any kinds of features models. And some of the features we need to know. It is very easy to use and it is open source. We no need to buy anything. Simply we can download the things. The libraries are free to use. So whatever the things we need, we can easily download it with the help of the internet. And it has a large standard libraries on which platform we want to work, frameworks we need, or some of the libraries which are very suitable for the environments. And it is portable. Once we create the bytecode, we can able to run it on anywhere else, and we can based on the Python environment, we can develop many more applications based on the user need. We could say that we can develop a web designing, web development based, or an application based, or an Android based, or an iOS based. We can develop based on our user requirements. And it is a dynamic typed language, which means that we no need to mention the data types. It will automatically identify the variables which value we give. Based on the variables, it will get the values, and with the values it will predict which category of data type which is used in here. And it supports object oriented programming language, so which supports Java, C, C++, and all the previous languages. And it supports graphical user interface. With the help of it, we can able to do simultaneously the designing works for the user experience. And it is extensible. We can able to extend to the any level, which means that we can able to extend by adding some more libraries to the programming. We can able to do many things. And the last one, it supports, it is not based on the compiler level language, it is based on the interpreter level language. These are some of the features which is very useful for the development of an application or a software. And some of the applications which are we use in nowadays for the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, and robotics, in all the technology world, we use Python as a development programming. And it uses embedded applications, which means that we can able to make a connection between the software to the hardware. So it is possible with the help of Python. And it uses data science, and it supports audio and video files, and with the help of it you could be able to develop based on the audio and video. And for that we can particularly we have a library which supports audio and video, and it uses mainly for the business applications. With the help of it we can do many applications for the particular need of business. And it supports computer aided design. With the help of it we can design a particular software or a particular machinery with the help of it, and we can able to use computer aided design to build. It is particularly used for many fields. Particularly we could say that it is applicable to the construction. For an example I am giving you, in the civil based construction companies, they are using the most. And web design and development, as we all know that web applications are more popular nowadays, and with the help of Python we can able to develop and design and maintain the websites and web pages easily. And it supports graphical user interface. So in the basis of graphical user interface we can able to design some of the very intrigued designs with the help of Python. And web scraping, we can clarify the data, the websites, and we can make extract details from the Python with the help of Python. And lastly we have the game development. For the game development also we have a particular library which is dedicatedly used for a particular libraries. And we are using many libraries in Python. As you could see here, we have so many libraries. Each and every library has a particular usage and features. And Beautiful Soup, Pillow, Matplotlib, WX, Python, NumPy, Scrappy, and Twisted Python, Tkinter, Pandas, Piglet, SciPy, SQL Alchemy, and Pygame, PyWin32, TensorFlow. These are some of it, and with the help of it we can do the works based on the data sets. And some of the IDEs which we are using nowadays, it is particularly and more specifically designed for the Python programming, and which is very helpful for the development environment, which is Anaconda and IDLE, Spider, Colab, Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Jupyter. In some cases the IDEs are more popular with the user-friendly manual which it has. So as we can say that Jupyter and Colab becoming so popular, with the help of it we can develop a software, we can able to code simultaneously with the help of it. And Colab is particularly developed by Google, and it is worked fully on internet. We no need to install anything, directly we can run and compile. In our upcoming videos we'll be focusing on the Colab, and we'll be code based on the Colab IDE only. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you would have get some idea about what is Python and why it is used, and these are all some of the facts which I would like to give. Thank you all. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, you can like and share, and if you like my video too much, you can subscribe too. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.